Hi everyone, it's 2nd of April 2021 and let's have a look at Bitcoin. Um, at the moment, I don't see any chart patterns developing on this chart, except for this potential channel. But we'll see once it makes a few more touches. This could also be interpreted as a wedge, but for now, for me, it's a little bit too early to tell. If you go to intraday, potentially I see the possibility for an inverse head and shoulders. You could do something like this, and then up on the break just rallies upwards. But again, way too early to tell. This needs to make this low. I think that's about it for Bitcoin. Let's have a look at alts. Kava looks really good. Potentially looking like it's about to break. And I have my eyes on this chart for today. This is looking like a good inverse bottom in head and shoulder pattern. OGN I've mentioned last couple of videos. This has made a quite good move. If I was in this trade, I'll be looking to take profits here. I mean, it has reached the head and shoulder target. Yeah, he's gone way above it. I'll be looking to take some profit. Maybe not everything, but just moving my stops up when it makes higher lows. Sol is one of the coins that I'm looking more of as an investment rather than just a trade. I would love to see Sol produce a cup and handle here and just maybe consolidate a bit and up on the break. I'll be looking to add to my positions. This looks like it's not in the top 20. This is a DeFi coin. I believe it can make its way in the top 20. So I'm looking at this more in terms of a investment as well. If I look at the 4-hour, it's made this mini head and shoulders. It hasn't broken below it, but even if it does, I think it'll be a good move. Just consolidates below it a little bit, produces the handle in the cup and handle, and gives us a potential trading opportunity. If BAT BTC is one of the other ones that's just refusing to break upwards. If I look on a 4-hour, it's made the head and shoulders. It failed to break above it, and then it formed or morphed into a rectangle. It's made a break on the 4-hour, but it retraced quite quickly. It's just refusing to close above this line. I'll be looking to move my stops very soon to below these levels because this is taking I think quite a bit longer than expected, and there are other opportunities, better opportunities that are developing at the moment. So I'll be monitoring this closely. RSI is another one that's failing to break out. Again, monitoring this to see if I can if I can close the trade and potentially use that risk to enter into other trades. UTK is looking good. Consolidating around this area. Any break above the orange line, I'll be looking to enter the trade. Lisk broke the horizontal line a couple of days ago. It's retracing back. If it goes back to this 10 and 20 period moving average and afterwards produce a bullish candle, I'll be interested to enter in this trade. Because this potentially gives us a target of up into these highs. BTC, as I mentioned previously, there's a mini head and shoulders within a head and shoulders. I'm definitely looking bullish. A break above the orange line, I'll be looking to enter. A break above the blue line, I will keep keep my eye on this and monitor this closely. And it's looking like it's gonna break the blue line soon. SXP, another good clean chart. This one, I think I won't even be waiting for the orange line. A close above the blue line is good enough to enter for me. QTUM. Again, a good looking chart. Failed to close above the resistance yesterday, consolidating today, and this is looks like a potentially that it wants to break this to the upside. Very clean chart, and I like. I'll be looking to. I'll be monitoring this closely. Sushi. Sushi is a coin that I am looking, again, another coin, DeFi coin that I'm looking more in terms of an investment than just a trade. So I've added a bit to my wallet a couple of days ago. I will be adding more once it breaks this horizontal line. So what I'm hoping for, it produces this rectangular pattern, and a break above this will be a potential trade setup. ETH BTC. ETH BTC is challenging these highs. We'll go to the USD in a minute, but it's and 10-20 period moving average is crossed, so hopefully this uptrend continues to new highs. ETH climbing higher is generally good for alts. Anytime ETH does well, alts do well as well. So yeah, I'm hoping for this to do well. One BTC mentioned that this quite a few times. It has produced, a quite a bit of uptrend, and I think it has met its target. Yeah, it has met its target. So if I was in this trade, I'll be looking to in that area that I just showed, I'll be looking to sort of trim down on my position, and potentially just play move my stop loss into lower lows. But this was a good trade if you entered. ETH USD broke the symmetrical triangle, challenging for all-time highs. However, I would like to see it close way above, because anytime you challenge for all-time highs and you break the all-time highs, it's always better that they breaks it very convincingly. Right now he's just pulling back towards it, and he's not really doing much, but yeah, we'll see how this closes. Silica. I've mentioned one of the coins that we've been tracking. This is a consolidation in a rectangle, and any break close above this, I'll be interested in entering this trade, and this would be a potential target area. As you can see, before this, it has been consolidating quite a bit near the resistance area. This is always a good sign. We don't want to see quick rejections. We want to see the price hovering around, the resistance or support area before the breakup. Rune BTC, symmetrical triangle, break above it. Entered this trade hoping to reach these targets. I'll be trimming a little bit off this trade once it reaches that. Because it's a new coin, I mean, I have no idea how high it can go. I'll still leave some in my position, but this is potential target zone to take some profits. Finally, CHR BTC. This coin, someone has mentioned it, left a comment. CHR BTC was on my radar some time ago, but then it made this move. And for me personally, when it makes this type of move, I think that the move is just gone. It doesn't mean it can't go any higher. I mean, I don't know how likely that is, but this sort of head and shoulder setup, as you can see in here, there are other opportunities available for me to enter this the trade rather than looking at this one. There is, like we mentioned, Kava is a good head and shoulder opportunity. UTK is, Lisk is, BAL. I mean, there's just Quantum as well, SXP. There's just so many. For me personally, I would be avoiding this for now. But like I said, doesn't mean you can't go higher. Just better opportunities out there at the moment. Potential breakouts. I mean, that's all for me. If you have any comments, any charts you want me to look at, please leave in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.